The 2023 iteration of the Asia Cup marks its 16th edition, with the matches set to be conducted in the One-Day International (ODI) format. Given that the ODI World Cup 2023 is scheduled after this continental tournament, Asian nations are aiming to perform strongly. In the case of India, a cricketing powerhouse known for its rich history and formidable performances, the bowling department is of particular interest. So, let's take a look at top 5 bowlers to watch out for in Asia Cup 2023. 5. Prasidh Krishna embarked on his ODI journey with a remarkable debut performance. Unfortunately, an injury setback forced him to spend a considerable span on the sidelines. Nonetheless, displaying resilience and determination, he marked his return during the recently concluded series against Ireland, showcasing a commendable bowling display that subsequently secured him a berth in the Asia Cup 2023 squad. Noteworthy is Krishna's track record of claiming 25 wickets across 14 one-day internationals. Prasidh Krishna bowling ODI stats, matches, 14, wickets, 25, average, 23.92, 4W, 4. Kuldeep's unique ability to deliver a diverse range of deliveries makes him a challenging bowler to contend with. Given the projected spin-friendly conditions in Sri Lanka, his skill set is anticipated to be particularly effective, posing a substantial threat to opposition batsmen. As matches unfold, his allocation of 10 overs might significantly influence the ultimate outcome of the games. Let's keep an eye on how his performance shapes the course of the matches in Sri Lanka. Kuldeep Yadav bowling ODI stats, matches, 84, wickets, 141, average, 26.55, 4W, 6, 3. Mohammad Siraj is an Indian cricketer who has gained prominence as a fast bowler in both the international and domestic cricket scenes. Known for his energetic on-field celebrations and a never-give-up attitude, Mohammad Siraj has become an integral part of India's fast bowling arsenal across all formats. His performances have earned him respect from teammates, opponents, and fans alike. Mohammad Siraj bowling ODI stats, matches -24, wickets, 43, average, 20.72, 4W, 2. Mohammad Shami, having been absent for nearly 2 months, Mohammad Shami has made a re-entry into the Asia Cup 2023 squad. During Jasprit Bumrah's hiatus, Shami admirably assumed the role of India's premier fast bowler across all formats. With Bumrah's return to the team, Shami is set to partner with him to share the responsibility of spearheading the bowling attack and opening the bowling for India. Mohammad Shami bowling ODI stats, matches, 90, wickets, 162, average, 25.98, 4W, 9, Jasprit Bumrah, recognized as India's premier fast bowler, Bumrah's role holds heightened significance, particularly considering his absence from the T20 World Cup in the preceding year. His anticipation to make a resounding impact is palpable, as he strives to compensate for the missed opportunity and contribute significantly on the field. Jasprit Bumrah bowling ODI stats, 1. Matches, 72, 2. Wickets, 121, 3. Average, 24.30, 4. 4W, 5. Thanks for watching our video. For more video like this, don't forget to subscribe.